Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 11 of 20. I'm Luis, and this is week 3, Actions and Time, the verb week.
And I'm Claire. We start with the single most important verb in all of journalism, and also your breakfast.
Today's sentence puts a politician and your breakfast in the same headline. Real news speed.
Le ministre dit « Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année ». Here it is, one more time, slowly. Le ministre dit « Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année ».
Here it is, the most used verb in French news. Says,
10,
your turn, repeat after Claire.
10.
One tiny syllable, and it carries half of all journalism. Because news at bottom is people saying things. The minister says, the police say, experts say. Master this one verb, and you own the skeleton of half of all news sentences.
And here's today's rhythm trick, Louis. Listen to how French news quotes someone. Le ministre dit « Le pain et le lait sont plus chers ». Hear that little cliff edge after the verb? French news loves the colon. The minister says, beat, and then the quote, delivered straight.
So when you hear that verb, and then a, brace yourself. The actual story is coming next. Your turn. Say the launching phrase. The minister says.
Le ministre dit. Le ministre dit. The verbs relative for your sheet to speak, to ask, to answer. Parler, demander, répondre.
And what's the news? Breakfast. Bread.
Le pain.
Your turn.
Le pain. Milk. Le lait. Le lait. 2 more you'll order daily. Water, wearing episode 3's apostrophe, and coffee. L'eau. Le café.
And the 2 verbs that go with all of it, to eat, to drink. Your turn after Claire, both.
Manger, boire. Manger, boire.
One cultural note, because it matters here. Bread in France is not just food. The baguette is national infrastructure. UNESCO literally lists it as World Heritage. When its price moves, that is the news.
Which is exactly why today's sentence exists. The full food kit, fruit, vegetables, cheese, the market essentials, is on today's sheet.
Now the bad news itself. More expensive. You know the word for expensive from Money Day, and French comparison could not be friendlier. No new ending, no new shape. You simply put the word for more in front.
Cher, plus cher.
Expensive, more expensive. And you already own the opposite move from Money Day? Less. Cheaper is just less expensive. Your turn, more expensive.
Plus cher. Plus cher. When? This year. Cette année. Cette année.
Now the full complaint, bread and milk are more expensive this year. Repeat after Claire.
Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année. Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année.
From the top. Claire, slowly.
Le ministre dit « Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année ».
The minister says, bread and milk are more expensive this year. Real speed.
Le ministre dit « Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année ». Your turn, the whole thing, cliff edge and all. Repeat after me. Le ministre dit « Le pain et le lait sont plus chers cette année ». Très bien.
Day 11. The engine of journalism. To say, the news : breakfast, and your first comparison. The sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1 has the full food kit, 25 words, printable.
And today's 10-minute homework drills the price complaint pattern by ear. Once you've got it, you'll hear it in every single bulletin. Demain, Des milliers de personnes viennent en France.
Tomorrow, thousands of people are coming to France. Movement and the map of the world. See you then.
À demain,